Welcome back to our channel. Today, we journey to the iconic Red Rocks Park and Amphitheater in Morrison, Colorado, located just outside Denver. As we drive up to the park, you're treated to stunning views of mountains and hills, with breathtaking scenery throughout the journey. Let's delve into the rich history of Red Rocks Park. Officially opened to the public on June 15, 1941, this venue has earned a reputation as one of America's premier concert locations. Legends like the Beatles, Stevie Nicks, and Willie Nelson, a native of Austin, Texas, have graced its stage. The park also features a museum showcasing artifacts, posters, costumes, guitars, and other memorabilia from artists who have performed there, which we'll explore later in this video. Red Rocks Amphitheater is not solely a concert venue. It hosts a variety of events, including movie nights, yoga sessions, and the annual Easter sunrise service. Additionally, it serves as a picturesque setting for weddings and graduations. The Easter sunrise service, the first event held at Red Rocks, took place on April 6, 1947, and has been a yearly tradition ever since. With a seating capacity of approximately 9,525, the amphitheater was initially named the Garden of the Angels. It is surrounded by three prominent rock formations: Creation Rock, Ship Rock, and Stage Rock. The park encompasses over 860 acres of open space, offering hiking and biking trails, including the Red Rocks Trail, a 6-mile loop through stunning rock formations. This trail is free and open year-round from sunrise to sunset, except during concerts and events. As we approach the park, the magnificent red rocks come into clearer view, growing larger and more impressive. Here is the Red Rocks trading post, painted in the iconic red hue of the surrounding rocks. The trading post houses various memorabilia and artifacts from the artists who have performed at the amphitheater and is also home to the Colorado Music Hall of Fame. Inside the trading post, you'll find posters of famous artists born and raised in Colorado, as well as those who have performed at Red Rocks. The trading post also offers a variety of souvenirs, including t-shirts, sweatshirts, socks, and hats. The Colorado Music Hall of Fame section features outfits worn by inductees, their instruments, photographs, and detailed information about these celebrated musicians. As we explore the area surrounding the trading post, you'll notice the breathtaking views and natural beauty of the park. Although an event prevents us from accessing the entire amphitheater, we still enjoy a significant portion of the trail and the stunning rock formations. Many visitors use the trail in the amphitheater itself as a workout venue, taking advantage of the elevation and the rows of bleachers for exercise. Our hike ends at a point where the trail is closed, but we still capture the awe-inspiring scenery and views of the park. Finally, as promised, we witness a beautiful wedding ceremony taking place behind the Red Rocks trading post, a fitting end to our visit. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Red Rocks Park and Amphitheater. If you visited before, share your experiences in the comments below. If not, we highly recommend a visit. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.